Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create an image carousel and add it to a Showit website. Let's get started. The Image Carousel widget is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Showit editor. On the Showit editor, click the Add Item button at the bottom of the screen. And select the Embed Code option. Drag the new embed code you've added to your page and place it wherever you wish the widget to show. Resize the embed code to fit your widget's content. Click the Embed Code item to enter the code window. Now, in the code window, simply paste the code you've copied before. Click the Save button at the right bottom corner of the window to save your changes and close the window. And that's it. Now, the image carousel will show on your website.